What's up, guys? I'm back. I apologize. I'm literally like wearing pajamas because I just got done with work and then I had to bring my daughter Ruby to dance class. So you are getting like chill version. And I actually kind of dressed up for you because normally this would be in my go-to claw, which you see me when I do makeup tutorials. That is how I do my hair every day when I'm not going anywhere. My claw up in a bun, that's my favorite. So feel special because I actually did these braids just for you guys to dress myself up, and they're already falling out. So anyways, back to the task at hand. I have always wanted to do, okay, so you know you have knee-high boots. I have a lot of knee-high boots and it's so irritating when they flop over in my closet. It drives me insane, but I always wanted to try this where you take the noodles for the pool and you cut them and you put them in your boots, and it supposedly is supposed to make my boots stand up like this instead of go like this. We've all had that struggle. The struggle is real. So anyways, that is what we're going to do. I'm going to cut these suckers down and fit them in my boots. So you guys are coming along for the ride. I've wanted to do this forever. Every time I like organize my closet and do my boots, I'm like, oh, I need to get the noodles. And these suckers, okay, so we have a local grocery store. It's called Super One. Yay, Super One, I love you. Anyways, these were $1.49. Noodles at pools are usually $7, $8. I am wondering if the circumference of this, see this? I think the $7.99 ones might be a little bit bigger. I think they might be bigger. So that could be an issue. I don't know. These might not have the strength or capability to stand up straight, but we will see. We will see. I'm going to get you. Okay, so I have a nice pair of like black leather boots. These are some of my favorite riding boots on the planet. They're like probably super dusty because I haven't worn them in a while. Anyways, I'm going to try them on this. So what I'm gonna do is you need 3 things. You need a pair of boots. Well, I guess it's 4 things. So a pair of boots, a knife, and a noodle. So here's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna back up for you guys. So I'm going to put this in the boot and I'm going to kind of figure out, oh no. Okay, so she's kind of standing up pretty good. I'm gonna zip her up and then I'm going to kind of mark it. I could probably mark it with a pen, but I'm just lazy and I'm just gonna shred into it with my knife. So I cut a mark right here, so it's yay. It's right here. And you're gonna watch me. And this is, kids, don't try this at home. If you're doing this, do this with an adult. I'm going rogue, people. Ah! So let's see, finished product. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No floppage, sweetness. So excited I tried these. I mean, yeah, does it look great? No. Who gives a crap? It's your closet. Nobody goes in it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. Peace.